Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this session I want to explain the preparation methods of phenol. Phenol can be prepared from first to chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene treated with sodium hydroxide NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, then we will get what? Sodium phenoxide. We will get sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide, when reacted with HCl, then what is our product? Phenol is our product. Phenol. We will get phenol. This is from what? Chlorobenzene. Preparation from chlorobenzene. Next method, from diazonium salts. We can prepare from diazonium salts also. See how we can prepare. See, first one, aniline when react with concentrated HCl and NaNO2, sodium nitrite, this mixture. Actually it can produce nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin temperature. Then the product is benzene diazonium chloride. This is our product, benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride, just when warmed with water, our product is phenol. We will get phenol. This is the second method of preparation. And next one is, third one, from benzene we can prepare. From benzene. See how we can prepare, let us see. Here benzene when react with fuming sulfuric acid, nothing but the mixture of sulfur trioxide and H2SO4. Benzene react with fuming sulfuric acid, can produce as what? Can produce as benzene sulfonic acid. That is benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid, when treated with sodium hydroxide NaOH plus acid H plus, then our final product is phenol. Phenol is our final product. Next, after this, so phenol preparation from cumene, it's a very important method. Cumene is nothing but what? It is isopropyl benzene. From cumene we will prepare phenol. Cumene is nothing but what? Isopropyl benzene. This is cumene. It is cumene. When cumene react with oxygen, then we will get what? Cumene hydroperoxide. We will get cumene hydroperoxide. This is the structure of the cumene hydroperoxide. Whenever it treated with water in presence of acid, then what is our product? Phenol is our product. Phenol. Along with the phenol, what we will get? Acetone we will get. So this is about the preparation method of phenol. And in phenol, Kolbe reaction and also Riemer-Tiemann reaction both are important. So that Kolbe reaction also I want to discuss. Kolbe reaction. Kolbe's reaction. Here what is the Kolbe reaction? Just concentrate. Whenever our phenol treated with sodium hydroxide NaOH, what we will get? We will get sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide we will get. This sodium phenoxide when react with carbon dioxide CO2, it is a electrophile. Then so what we will get? We will get this product. This product we will get. And if it is treated with acid H plus, then what is our product? Our product is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is our product. Salicylic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic acid is our product. This is the Kolbe's reaction. And one more reaction is there. What is that? Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Riemer-Tiemann reaction also important. Here in Riemer-Tiemann reaction, what happening? This phenol is going to react with chloroform. Phenol react with chloroform. Yes. When phenol react with chloroform, CHCl3 plus NaOH, this mixture, then we will get one intermediate, benzyl chloride intermediate. This intermediate we will get is the intermediate. This intermediate when treated with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, then we will get this product. And if it is treated with acid H plus, then our final product is benzaldehyde, orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde or salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. So this is about the Riemer-Tiemann reaction and next Kolbe's reaction. Thank you.